我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Day Up. Learn the most authentic Chinese. Make progress every day. Today, let's talk about how to say why in Chinese. 为什么 means why. 为 fourth tone. 神 second tone. 么 neutral tone. 为什么？为什么？为什么？我不喜欢喝咖啡。I don't like coffee. 为什么？ Why? To soften the tone, we usually add a question word 呢 at the end of 为什么 The meaning doesn't change. 呢 neutral tone. 为什么呢？为什么呢？为什么呢？ In fact, 为什么呢 is a pet phrase among the young Chinese nowadays. It appeared first in the Spring Festival Gala when Xiǎoshěnyáng, a famous comedian, used the phrase in an interesting way. So, you'd better know how to say it because it's very authentic. I had a blind date yesterday. 他很帅。他说他今天给我打电话。He's really cute. He said he would call me today. But I didn't get a phone call. Not even a text message. 为什么呢？为什么呢？ Why? There is an encyclopedia in China called 10万个为什么 100,000 whys. 10 second tone. 1 fourth tone. 个 neutral tone. 10万个为什么10万个为什么10万个为什么 answers questions such as 为什么糖是甜的 Why is sugar sweet? 为什么太阳很热 Why is the sun hot? These questions show us how to use 为什么 in a sentence. Simply place 为什么 in front of a sentence and you're done. 为什么你喜欢成龙 Why do you like Jackie Chan? 为什么你要结婚 Why do you want to get married? 为什么你昨天没上瑜伽课 Why didn't you show up at the yoga class yesterday? 我生病了 I got sick. I'm so hungry. 为什么你不吃东西 Why don't you eat something? 我要减肥 I'm on a diet. In English, people always say, Why me? In Chinese, we say, 为什么是我是 fourth tone. 我 third tone. 为什么是我为什么是我？为什么是我 ？Jenny， 来，帮我洗衣服。Come here, Jenny. Help me wash the clothes. 为什么是我 ？Why me? Now that you know how to ask why in Chinese, okay, it's your turn. Do you want to know the secret behind why I like cats? Then leave me a message asking me in Chinese. Don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。对不起 Jill, I'm not going to the movies tomorrow. 为什么 What did Jill wish to know? The film that Jill's friend wants to see. The time that Jill's friend will be there. The reason why Jill's friend is not coming. Please choose the best answer. Ellie, I'm leaving the city. 下午5点的飞机。什么 What would she probably say? 为什么不 为什么呢？是什么呢？ Please choose the best answer. Amy, how come you're all alone here? 为什么 Jason 不在？ We just broke up, Jenny. 啊？为什么呢？ Which is true according to the dialogue. Jenny knows why Jason isn't there. Jenny doesn't know that Jason isn't coming. Jenny knows why Amy and Jason broke up. Please choose the best answer. 我们周末去刘德华的演唱会。Ellie, 你开车。Why me? What does Ellie mean in Chinese? 为什么是我？为什么不是我？什么？ Please choose the best answer. Jenny, 为什么天是蓝的？我不知道。Jenny, 为什么草是绿的？我不知道。Jenny, 为什么花是香的？我不知道。Jenny, 为什么你不高兴？ Amy, 你觉得我是什么？10万个为什么吗？ How does Jenny feel like? She feels that she enjoys Amy's company. She feels like a student who wants to know all the answers. She feels like she couldn't stand Amy. Please choose the best answer.